Welcome to the Pay Diamond opportunity. Whether you want just to be a participant or you want to build a business, Pay Diamond is for everyone. Everyone starts in the system as a participant. Once you have signed up and registered, you choose one of the diamond packs on offer and pay the relevant amount as your startup fee. And there you go, you are now a participant of Pay Diamond. After an initial holding period of 30 days, you will start to earn weekly participation bonuses that are 5% of your startup fee. For example, if you purchase the entry-level Pack Joy at $200, your bonus will be $10. This is paid every week, week after week, for a total of 50 weeks. This is just what you earn for being a participant. If you would like to grow your business, Pay Diamond is multi-level marketing, and you will need to introduce people under you in your team and get them up and running. The benefit of this is you earn startup bonuses for everyone you sign up, and eventually you earn team bonuses too. But if this is not your thing, you can remain as a participant of Pay Diamond. After you have chosen your package and paid your startup fee, you can just sit back and do nothing. After the 30-day waiting period is over, your weekly bonuses will start collecting in your account. If you want to, you can check in on your account now and then and see how you are doing. After about 6 months, including the 30-day holding period, your account balance will be $200. Now you have a choice. You can either use your balance to purchase another diamond pack, or you can wait until your balance reaches $300 and then you can withdraw your money. This is the only restriction on Pay Diamond, that you have to wait for your account balance to reach $300 before you can withdraw it. Otherwise, there are no restrictions. You can purchase packages whenever you like, and as many as you like, and keep your participation bonuses adding up. Obviously, if you've introduced people into your team, your bonuses and balance will add up quicker, but that is entirely up to you. Please see our website for more information, email us, or follow the link and we will help you get started. Now, network marketing is not for everyone, so there is no pressure to join people up if you don't want to. But whether you want to build a business or you merely want to take care of your future self, I urge you to make the most of the Pay Diamond opportunity and join today.